In my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome as it is my favorite browser, and then just type in Badlion Client, download, and then click on the first link, clients.badlion.net/download. And then we have these three options. First of all, of course, don't accept all. Windows download, Mac download, and Linux download. It depends whatever operating system you are using. I'm using Windows, so I'm just going to click on Windows and click on recommend download. And then this file has about 126 megabytes, and it's taking a few seconds, especially for my slow internet, but you can easily use this time to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Would be very much appreciated. And the watch time is always good. And then just open it whenever it's downloaded. We can already minimize our browser or close it, and then click on yes, and here click on I agree, and then choose wherever you want to install it, your destination folder, and then just click on install. And then we can already check the setting here, run Badlion Client, and then click on finish. Click on yes again, and then it should already start allow access, and downloading default Java installation shouldn't take too long. That's it. Then just log in with your Minecraft account or Microsoft account, and then you can already play, and we've successfully installed our Badlion Client. In your case, it maybe takes a few seconds shorter because of my bad internet, but doesn't matter. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will write them back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.